Hello guys, and today I'm doing the random ammo box challenge. So, first I open an ammo box. Say that I get like heavy bullets. I can only use heavy bullets for that round. Like snipers, deagles, flintlocks. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Epic games.
Me ammo. I just picked up a gun X. I don't know where ammo box is. I found one and it's heavy and medium. Not bad.
I got shotgun and medium.
You actual so it's rigged. It was actually so rigged. What am I supposed to do? No scope?
I can't say that.
Team under us. Oh, it sounds like combat. Good shit. This guy really chucked us. I'm just gonna try to no scope. I don't care. Ah! No, no scoping's not the way. No scoping's not the way. Right here. He just walked past me. Idiot.
He's gone down below.
Take him. No shield. No shield. No, 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 no.
I got.
He's right there. Not engage. See?
Oh my gosh.
It's right here, my friend. Die, 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 die. Got him. I know.
Hey.
Not gonna say I'm not. Anything
Hey,
decent
Soda,
here?
Soda.
Hello?
Do you play soccer?
There's a guy here. There's a guy here. I don't care. There's a guy here. There's a guy here. Heh 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 heh. No shield, no shield. Oh! Not nice, not nice. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh my god. It's a bot. It's a bot.
Oh my god, I was AFK. I got sniped by one, so yeah. I would watch it. Oh my god. I don't... I'm very scared right now. He's low, you know. No shield, got him. Yeah. Those the guys who sniped me? Can I have... anyone have some healing? Anyone got some healing? No one's got any healing. Probably shouldn't have used those 3 campfires. Drop. Oh, for fuck's sake. They got sniped. Put a campfire. Anywhere. Ah! They got an RPG, I think. Not fun, not fun. You do all the work, I'm just gonna chill. He's low, he's low, he's low. Nice. Another campfire.
I don't care. It's a game.
I'm chilling here. Why is this party so loud? This game's rigged.
Wait, you sniped.
How did they not hit for the record? I'm rushing him. I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit. I'm rushing him. Oh my god. I've actually mucked myself. watch this kid laser the shit. He boogied me! He boogied me! He boogied me mid-shadow! He boogied me mid-shadow! What? What? He boogied me mid-shadow. He boogied. How? What? Oh my gosh. I see him. No. You said you weren't allowed to before. What the? I was scared out of my mind. I was bugging myself. I just bugging myself. Quality content here, boys. I am so body. Far out. Nice. I probably shouldn't go for sniper shots, but I'm gonna go for sniper shots.
Did you get echoed?
Nope. The impulse away. I swear to God, I'm got a campfire here, like right here. Don't kill me. Don't know why you use so many hand gestures. There's a guy on us. There's a guy on us, behind us. This. Die. No shield, no shield. Drum gun. Nice. Oh, I can't see him. Did I drop him? No. Watch me muck this up. I've got hand arthritis. Yeah, no, we work together. Good boy. Oh, you want a piece? Oh, yeah, he does. Chill, buddy. One at a fucking time! Chill. Oh, good trap. Yeah! Good! Get it on! He did it. You won't. Just die already. I got a heavy sniper. What am I doing? Yeah, you do that. You build up to the skull. Don't worry. But just doing shot scan. Oh yeah! Juicy. Juicy. Oh my god, kill me. Didn't mean literally. Oh no. What the fuck? No. I've been shot from every angle possible. Honestly. Oh. You acting all tough. Okay, he is tough. Oh. Yay! Okay, never mind. Far out.
Oh, we got Zionist now.
Okay, it's actually ammo box.
I
Come
reckon-
on. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Fucking hell, I'm stuck.
What do you mean you're stuck?
I'm stuck in this place.
Is it between the goal?
And I'm lagging like shit.
There's big build fight up there.
This guy's low, got him.
Any combat?
Knocked the guy there. This guy's low as well. He's like 30 health behind there. Oh my fucking god. How? He's on like 6 health. This guy's gonna rob it as well. Got one.
Alright.
This guy's got a combat. Yeah, got him low. Not low. Peek, mate, peek. Really? Behind you.
My god.
Take him 70. Wait, what? Got it. Oh my god, he stole that so hard.
Heals.
There's another guy, it's
Oh, this
another
guy
guy.
in here?
He's low, he's low, he's low. Yes, I actually got that one.
Nice.
Because you got a ball.
Oh my.
Guy, I'm
Oh,
coming
got him.
now. Where is he?
I need help.
Kinda fucked it. I'm running. Just box up. Just don't try to peek. Where is he?
He's hit
Like I see him.
him. Hit him.
Oh my god, I'm lagging. Come on! He's no shield. Knocked it off.
Yeah, I hit him.
What the fuck? Oh, stupid
This
got
guy
him.
take naked.
What the fuck? I need to take a big pot first. Is there another guy rushing? Because he's a bitch. There's 2 guys
Yeah.
rushing. No, low, got him.
Take minis.
Ah! I need help.
Them can't. Where is he?
He's under me. On the tree. We get it, contracts. Right. He's low, no shield. Can this guy peek? Really, bitch. He's low.
He's shot him.
He's so fucking low, got him.
Nice. Oh wait, oh. I thought he was in that box.
He's under the stair.
That next.
Max high. Okay, nah,
No,
why am I
just
trying to
take
fight
high.
this? You said, oh god. What's up? Really? You really sniped me? I've connected it, dipshit. Wait, one's got a sniper, watch out. I got a jetpack so I can go high. Oh my god, this ping! I'm pretty dumb.
Where is it?
One's in a bowler.
Oh, that was gonna hurt.
Can't get an angle on this guy. What are you trying to do?
Hit him 95, no shield.
He's low, got him.
Oh,
Who
this
the
is
fuck
it.
even is this cunt? I'm trying to finish this guy, where are you? There we go. Any healing? No. Why does this guy shoot me with his bolt feeder heavy? I'm gonna... He has to come to us, if we just stay over here, we got him.
No, he's like.
I know, but if we just stay at this side, if we just stay at this side, we're good. Because he has to go downhill. He's up top, he's at the very
I
top.
tried trick shot him with the. He's dropped.
That's what I mean. It's only dropped halfway. It's up there. Peek, bitch. You know you want to do it. Oh, he's tearing still so close. He's standing still, he's a bot.
He's on me.
Cracked him. Got him.
Nice.
Fucking shit.